Now that I've introduced you to a few really good affiliate programs you can join on day one,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
I'm going to show you a few marketing strategies. This video and the next few videos will focus on marketing strategies that you can do on day one without a website. Later in the course, in the second part of the course, we'll focus on more long-term marketing strategies that some of them require a website, some don't. They're just more long-term sustainable things. But now in the next few videos, we're going to go over things you can start doing literally today. So hopefully today you can join some affiliate programs, find some ways to promote it, and begin promoting it. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to start making money today because, of course, the promotion and the choosing of the product is up to you. But it does mean that you're going to be in the game like literally on day one, which is amazing because how many people, and maybe it's your experience too, they just stood on the sidelines for so long, waiting, not knowing how to get started. But at least in this case, you're actually doing it on day one. And if you do it, results will come. So let's talk about what we're going to do in this video. So in this video, I'm going to give you a broad range of strategies. And this is posting on Q&A sites and forums and groups, basically using existing communities. Q&A sites, if you're not familiar, it's obviously Q&A stands for question and answer. The biggest Q&A site is Quora.com, spelled like this, Quora.com. It's a place where basically people come and ask questions about anything. And if you find questions about your topic, for example, here's something somebody posted when cleaning up a bedroom. Have you ever found something you weren't supposed to see? Probably this is not relevant for you. But then you can go to, like, let's say, business strategy questions. And so you see a question, what small change for a company resulted in the most money saved? And maybe you're selling some kind of a affiliate offer which saves money to companies, right? And you can answer this. Now, the only caveat is when you answer, you should answer really helpfully. There's a button to answer. You write your answer. You can add your affiliate link. You can add a YouTube link. You can add a link to your website if you have it in the answer. The main requirement that this site has is that your answer is truly helpful. So make sure you write a full answer, like at least a few sentences, actually good answer that people will appreciate and upvote. Because the more people will upvote the answer, the more your answer will rank higher in the other answers. And so therefore you're going to be able to get more visibility for your promotion. And you can do exactly this on another site, Yahoo Answers. People think Yahoo Answers is totally dead, but it's not. It's still alive. It used to be much more popular. It's still popular. And on these Q&A sites, these are the two sort of biggest Q&A sites. One little hack that is like little gray area hack is you can have two accounts. One account that asks questions and one account that answers questions. You can ask questions that you know that your answer would be able to promote your affiliate link. And so you can do something like that. In addition to Q&A sites, what you can do is go to Facebook groups that have existing communities around some subject matter that you're promoting. Well, you don't want to just spam and aggressively promote there, but if you can engage in conversations, become a recognized person in those groups, over time, you can promote some affiliate products. Some communities frown on that, but if you do it slowly and carefully, you could do that. And similarly to the Q&A sites, there are different forums for different topics online. So I'm sure if you're selling some cooking product, well, probably there are some discussion forums online where you can join, again, discuss things. And if it makes sense, if it actually provides some value, then you can promote your affiliate products there too. So again, these are things you can do either on day one or extremely short term. And in the next videos, we're going to cover more strategies that you can do literally on day one.